Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another wash day routine, and I'm just starting out by saturating my hair with water. Then I'm going to go in with the Way Detox shampoo to make sure my hair is clarified and prepped properly before I go in with my blow dry and silk press. Next, I'm going to go in with my Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisturizing Shampoo just to add a bit of moisture to my hair since I use that detox shampoo, which could be a bit drying. And I absolutely love this moisturizing shampoo. It is the absolute best, and it's really good for hair that gets really tangled because it always makes my hair super manageable. Next, I'm going to go in with the Amika Soul Food Deep Conditioning Mask to deep condition my hair. This is my favorite mask, absolutely love it. Then I'm going to go in with my brush to do a little bit of detangling, but my hair is not really that tangled because I did go in with that moisturizing shampoo, which helped manage my hair very well. And I did go ahead and leave the deep conditioning mask in for about 15 minutes. And right here, I'm just washing that mask out of my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the Humidity 20-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner Perfector Spray. This is a new product that I am trying out. So I did put this in my hair before I blow dried my hair. So this product is supposed to prime and protect hair. It's supposed to repair hair from damage. It's supposed to strengthen the hair, moisturize, rehydrate, increase body and manageability, add shine and softness, and provide elasticity and split end defense, frizz control. It's color safe, and yeah, that is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to do a lot of things. So it is protein based, but I will have to say that this product does have mineral oil in it, and my hair does not like mineral oil, and I did not notice that before I purchased it. So as you can see, my hair is very weighed down and greasy, and I did not like this product, and it was returned to the store. And there was somebody in my previous video who mentioned that this was a good alternative for the Amika Frizz Me Not, but in my opinion, I don't think that it is. This is a completely different formulation, and like I said before, it has that mineral oil in it. So if you're low porosity like me, your hair probably is not going to like this, or maybe use a little bit less. I don't think that I used that much, but my hair still came out very weighed down, oily and greasy. I was pretty mad, and I wanted to go and rewash my hair after I used this, but yeah. For me, I don't recommend it. If it works for you, that's great, but it did not work for me. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Amika, the Shield, as my heat protectant before I flat iron my hair. And I am gonna use my FHI flat iron on 370. And as you can see, as I am flat ironing my hair looks super greasy and flat, which is really disappointing. So yeah, that leave-in definitely did not work for me. But in the end, I'm going to show you what I do to kind of fix it and make my hair look better. So here's what my hair looks like after I flat ironed it. It is super heavy. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do, I did go in with my wand curler and I'm just gonna curl my ends to give my hair a little bit of body so that it's not completely straight and flat. And I did find that this did help a lot. And I did go in with my Kenra anti-humidity spray as a finisher on my hair to protect against the heat and humidity. And here are my results. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.